Even though the word necklace itself implies that you should wear it on your neck, I hope you know you shouldn't. Hi, welcome to The Art of, a place where we sometimes challenge things. And today, I'm going to challenge with you the common ways of wearing and styling necklace. Interested? Without further ado, let's get started. Regarding the extra materials, I think everything that you might need is a set of safety pins, maybe some glue, and that should be it. Person who invented the safety pins is definitely a genius. Let's start with something simple. Bag's adornment is going to be an it thing and trend of this summer. So instead of buying new trinkets or some special bracelets, let's try to upcycle what is idling around us. Here is the crochet bag that I want to add some extra oomph to. Let's try this brown tinted plastic beads. I like the color and they definitely match, but I feel like they are matching too much. The necklace is practically unnoticeable on the back. Let's leave it as it is for now. Also, I have this nice purple choker which I think would go nice on the handle. Or no, maybe somewhere in the front? Ooh, pins. I have very nice colorful pins, but I'm not sure if I'm vibing with the overall look. Something is off. Let's take away this strand of beads. Let's see other options. I really like this chunky, brutal pearl necklace with this delicate bag. They actually blend nicely. I think I have a brooch in a similar color scheme. Wow, perfect! A heart pin shouldn't be too much. Shouldn't it? One more cute brooch. But I think colors might be a little bit too off. We're getting into heavy-duty territory, sparkly chains. I don't know what about you, but as for me, it's a spot-on match. But looks like at that moment I didn't like it. I don't remember why. Here is my shiny and sparkly earring, which I think would look great, let's say, somewhere near the handle, for instance, the earring. First sparkly trinket is officially added. I love pearly beads and I also like the way blue pops against this hay raffia kind of color of this bag. I can either attach it to the D-ring or just wrap around the handle, which I think is a genius idea. I need some color pop, not that one. Not bad, but I feel it's lacking something. Ooh, I have one more brooch, and it is in the same color. And I have one more. Is it too much sparkle, or is it just me being secretly a disco ball in a past life? Too much sparkle? Never heard of that. Look how exquisitely they shine. And the red with the pearls? Total perfection. As for me, with this trend, the more, the better. Now, let's make the name necklace. Obviously, for it, you will need some name beads. So the one option is to go to Dollarama and buy them. But if you don't want to invest into this kind of necklace, you don't want to buy them, don't do that. Instead of that pin with the beads, you can use, for example, seashell. That would be perfect for a poolside look. Or if you had a pair of earrings and you lost one, the other one can be used as a pendant. There are a lot of options how can you kind of elevate the look with this kind of necklace. All that you will need is a strand of anything, beads, chains, of course some safety pin, and of course the ladder beads. You can get these from dollar store. And I also wanted to add a little bit of golden touch at the end. Lay out the word or phrase that you want to use. Grab your pin, open it, and start filling. I personally will start with a golden bead and start adding the latter beads, but backwards. Remember that. Close it. Don't forget to check the spelling. Open the pin, put the ring of the necklace onto the needle side of the pin and close it. And now you can clasp it through the other side. A necklace like this can have a great sentimental value or emotional significance, and definitely a lot of personal touch and individuality. Sometimes we just have to keep the things simple. And here is a tip that I pretty often use. You just get all of your necklaces, all of your strands that have clasps, attach them one to another, wrap around your neck, and you have a great colorful statement choker. One of the easiest DIYs I've ever done. And the best part is you never know what you will get in the end. And the second best part is you always end up with something unique, something that is very hard to recreate. It's very hard to close it without the mirror. A little bit of finishing touches and boom! One of the best layering necklaces ever. No, here is a cute pendant. If I don't know what to wear, I wear this. Let's go for something classy, something that is white t-shirt, chic, appropriate. For that, you will need scarf and a strand of beads. Pearls would be your safest option, but if you want to get less formal, I would say go for color. Here is once again my brown tinted plastic beads necklace, and the twilly I pull through. That's it. I meant almost it. Here is my twilly, aka back scarf, pull through the necklace. The part where they are connected should go to the back. Grab the longer side and pull it through the loop that you have in your necklace. Now pull it sideways and tie a cute knot. As for me, this outfit nicely combines cuteness and chic notes. One more unconventional way to style necklaces is to combine them in a knot choker. In order to make this kind of choker, you will need at least 2 necklaces. In order not to have the closure in the middle of the knot, make sure that the closure of one necklace is facing the non-closure side of the other. Put the necklace with the closure over the other one, the way I just showed. And then kind of repeat that step. Now, try to pull them apart. And here is the final result. As you can see, we ended up with 2 closures at the back, meaning it's very easy to clasp it at the back. Using 2 different strands can highlight contrast and balance, and it can showcase the beauty of diversity and harmony when different elements can come together, especially if they are of different colors and different textures. A lot of ideas come spontaneously. This one came when I was clasping my necklace. Why not to wear a necklace over one side of collar and under the other? It looks interesting. What do you think? My favorite way of upcycling glass-use jewelry is embellishing. And today we're going to embellish the headband. So we would need a handband, a strand of beads, and of course some safety pins. All my DIY projects have them. So let's grab the headband, the necklace, and position the beads in the pattern that is satisfactory for you. And later, secure it with the safety pins. As always, let's get a little bit of sparkle by adding some pendants and some shiny things. Or if you think that it might be a little bit too much, just leave it as it is. Which upcycling tip did you like the most? Let me know. Or maybe there are ways that you know that are very unconventional to style necklaces. I would love to learn them. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. I'll see you next time. Bye!